In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use milestones in ClickUp, a fantastic tool to keep your projects organized and on track. Implementing milestones is crucial for marking significant points in your project lifecycle, helping you to monitor your progress and ensure timely completion of crucial tasks. So, let's walk through the process together and get you confidently navigating ClickUp's features. First, you'll want to log in to your ClickUp account. As you enter your workspace, you'll find yourself on the dashboard where you have access to all your projects. It's important to be familiar with your workspace layout, as knowing your way around will make using and understanding milestones simpler. Once logged in, navigate to the List view in Project 1 within your chosen workspace. The List view provides a structured way of seeing all your tasks in a linear format, and it's this view that will allow you to efficiently identify and manage the tasks you want to focus on as milestones. Spend a little time familiarizing yourself with this section if you haven't already, as it forms the backbone of organizing your project activities. Now, locate a specific task that you want to convert into a milestone. Click on your chosen task. This action opens up more details about the task, including any subtasks, timelines, and notes associated with it. The Task Detail panel is your main control center for modifying and tracking individual tasks, which makes it perfect for setting key achievements. With the task open, your next step is to find and click on the option labeled Milestone. Once you click it, your task will be elevated to milestone status. The significance of marking a task as a milestone cannot be overstated. It serves as a crucial checkpoint in your project. It allows not only you, but also your entire team to visually track progress and ensure all critical tasks are precisely where they should be. After clicking on Milestone and confirming your choice, your task will now appear differently, setting it apart from regular tasks. Take note that making a task a milestone affects how it appears in the timeline and calendar views, helping you and your team stay on top of essential deadlines and project goals. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully used milestones in ClickUp to track your project's critical achievements. Remember, milestones are more than just dates in a schedule. They're opportunities to assess where a project stands and decide the course of action going forward. Don't hesitate to revisit these steps and explore additional functionalities in ClickUp to enhance your project management skills. Thanks for watching, and happy project planning.